Assalamualaikum friends, today I will discuss how to fix Facebook friend request problem. Now you want to add to someone to your list of connection, but sometime happens and you can't. There are a few reasons why you can't send a friend request to someone on Facebook. Let's look and see if we can solve the problem. Open Facebook app. Click three-bar option. Then select Help and Support. Then click Report a problem. Then turn off this option. Click OK. Then again click Report a problem. Then select Report a problem. Then click Include in Report. Then select Friend Request. Add a screenshot of the problem you want to send a friend request to but can't. Follow my screen. Once typed, click Send Report. Thanks for watching.